Make a great choice today with the 2017 Pacifica. The Pacifica crossover features the driving attributes of a sedan and the utility and space of a minivan or SUV. The Pacifica has top-notch safety scores, an upscale interior, and a spacious cabin that leaves room for your family to grow, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated mirrors, electronic stability control, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, power liftgate, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.